is the Adventure King's 250 watt folding solar blanket kit with MPPT regulator. It's a feature-packed bit of gear that comes with everything you need to keep your batteries charged off-grid at up to 20 amps per hour. The first thing you'll notice is just how compact it is, folding up to around 500 millimeters tall by 680 millimeters long, which makes it easy to pack for any trip or carry around the campsite. Everything you need comes in the front pocket. An MPPT solar controller, 4.4 meter extension lead, and a pair of alligator clips, all with quick connect plugs to make it fast and simple to set up, whether you're going to your battery terminals or a battery box. There's also integrated legs on each section of the panel, so you can set up your blanket on an angle to face the sun for maximum power. The 250 watt blanket also uses the latest technology with A-grade monocrystalline shingle cells. These cells mean less hotspots, less power loss, and longer lasting solar cells. Plus, the electrical contacts are below the cell, so there's no shading for another efficiency boost. All this plus the MPPT regulator means you can expect up to 20 amps per hour. The whole unit is protected by tough 1680D polyester weave material with a water-resistant PVC coating. With all these innovative features, the Adventure King's 250 watt folding solar blanket with MPPT regulator makes it easy for anyone to have and use a top-notch solar setup in their vehicle.